Imagine this. You're a Windows 10 user, and just as you're about to enroll in extended security updates, a critical step to keep your system safe, you hit a roadblock. The enrollment wizard crashes, leaving you confused and vulnerable. Frustrating, right? But here's the good news. Microsoft has stepped in with a solution. Enter KB5063709, a cumulative update designed to fix this issue and more. Let's dive into what this update is all about and why it matters. Released for Windows 10 versions 22H2 and 21H2, KB5063709 is not just another routine patch. It's mandatory because it includes Microsoft's July 2025 Patch Tuesday security updates. These updates address one actively exploited zero-day vulnerability, along with 136 other flaws, making it an essential download for anyone concerned about their system's safety. If you're wondering how to get it, don't worry, it's straightforward. Simply head to Settings, click on Windows Update, and hit Check for Updates. Since this is a mandatory update, it will automatically begin downloading once you check for new updates. For those who prefer more control over their installation process, scheduling a convenient restart time can help minimize disruptions. After applying the update, your system will be upgraded to newer builds. Windows 10 22H2 will move to build 19045-6216. While 21H2 users will see their systems updated to build 19044-6216. Alternatively, if you'd rather take matters into your own hands, you have the option to manually download KB5063709 from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Now, let's talk about what makes this update so noteworthy. As Windows 10 approaches its end of life in October 2025, Microsoft has shifted its focus toward refining the operating system through minor bug fixes and enhancements. However, this particular update stands out due to its resolution of a major problem: the failure of the Extended Security Updates (ESU) enrollment wizard. This bug caused frustration for many users, as clicking Enroll Now would result in the wizard opening briefly before closing unexpectedly. The root cause? Incomplete app registration that prevented the wizard from functioning properly. With KB5063709, this obstacle has been removed, ensuring a smoother enrollment experience moving forward. But wait, there's more. Alongside fixing the ESU wizard issue, KB5063709 brings 6 additional improvements. Here's a breakdown. Mobile operator profiles. Updated country and operator settings asset, COSA profiles to enhance compatibility and performance. Secure boot enhancements. A new feature allows administrators to deploy SKU SI policy VBS anti-rollback protections via the Secure Boot Available Updates registry key. This adds another layer of security against unauthorized changes. Core file systems fix. Resolve the rare but serious issue where certain devices experienced instability after installing previous updates. In some cases, these devices became unresponsive under specific conditions. Input method improvements. Addressed multiple issues affecting various input methods. For instance, users of the Microsoft Chang'e input method encountered problems selecting words post-update, a hassle now fixed. Additionally, searches within the emoji panel returned no results despite valid queries, but this too has been corrected. Lastly, phonetic input methods such as the Hindi phonetic input keyboard and Marathi phonetic keyboard were malfunctioning. Thankfully, they're back in action. Microsoft assures users that there are no known issues tied to this update, which is reassuring. For those eager to explore every detail, a comprehensive list of fixes can be found in the official KB5063709 support bulletin, or last month's KB5062649 preview update documentation. And this is the part most people miss. While updates like KB5063709 may seem technical and mundane, they play a vital role in maintaining both functionality and security. Without them, even small bugs could snowball into bigger headaches down the line. So next time you see an update notification, remember, it might just save you from a lot of trouble. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that Microsoft should extend support for Windows 10 beyond 2025, given its widespread use. What do you think? Should Microsoft reconsider its timeline, or is it time for users to embrace newer operating systems? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.